Truckee River is very important to this community for multiple reasons. For the recreation purposes, everybody enjoys, boating, rafting, fishing, but of course, primarily, it's also our drinking water source. So anything that happens to the river can have impacts that are significant to our water supply. The IDDE program is the Illicit Discharge Detection and Elimination Program. What's considered an illicit discharge is anything that's discharged to the storm drain system that's not purely stormwater. We also do what we call a river walk. We walk the river and look at the outfalls along the riverbank to see if any of the outfalls are flowing when they shouldn't be, and that way we can detect maybe whether it's inadvertent or intended connections to the stormwater system.
Keeping the Truckee River clean is very important, obviously, because it is our biggest source of drinking water. It's also, a source of water for wildlife, things like that. If you want to come here and swim in it, you don't want to be swimming in chemicals. You don't want your kids swimming in chemicals. You don't want to be bathing in chemicals. So keeping it clean is just it's ensuring that the people of this community have a better quality of life.
The community is vitally important to our IDDE program because that's how we get out there and find a lot of these illicit discharges. So we appreciate the community being mindful of that and reaching out to us.
If you see something that doesn't look right, you see oil running down the street, anything like that, don't hesitate to call us for any reason. We are on call 24/7. I do what I do because I personally use the river for recreation. I swim in it, I fish in it. And I like knowing that when I go home at night that I've done something to keep the river clean so that we can use it now and also for future generations.